right, somebody walk me through this. What method you want to use for this one? Substitution, yeah, that's great. Why? Got an x by itself. So all I need to do is rewrite it how? A negative 2y plus 8. All I did was subtract a 2y from both sides. Good. So now I'm going to use this as my x. And tell me what to do next. Plug it into this one. So this is going to be 3 times. Remember your parentheses so that you distribute that 3. A negative 2y plus 8. And then a minus of 4y is equal to 9. This is negative 6y plus 24 minus of 4y is equal to 9. You guys keep working and then check on me. Negative 10y is equal to, subtracting 29 minus 24 is what? Negative 15. Y is a negative 15 divided by negative 10. And simplify that. 3 over 2. Any questions on any of those steps that you guys were doing as I was doing them? So distributing, combining like terms, simplifying, moving the 24 over, subtracting 24, and then any questions on the fraction. Negative 5 can go into the top and the bottom evenly. So that's how we can reduce that fraction. Now what? So yeah, now we want to plug in our y. So looking at our equations again, which one of these equations would it be easier to use? Why? It would be easier probably to use the second one for a couple of reasons. One is the x is by itself, but also what's the coefficient of my y? And what's the denominator of my y here? So they're going to do what? They'll cancel out. So let's see if we can see it. We plug this into x plus 2 times, now this y is going to be 3 over 2, and this is equal to 8. What is 2 times 3 over 2? 3. Equal to 8. Just subtract your 3 to get x is equal to 5. So the solution is the 0.53.